Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for 26th of May, 05 or 2025. All right. Uh, Starting with Forex Factory on Monday, it's a bank holiday, and GBP and USD country. GBP is UK and USA, and Euro. There is medium impact news. So we're interested only in USD, so it's a bank holiday. All right. And going on to the chart, starting with monthly clear move to the upside, and there was a rejection here on the top, and the market came down. And then this month, market still above this level, previous rejection level, previous month rejection level. And to find out more what's going on, let's go to smaller time frame. Weekly, the candle has been broken. The up to the up this level has been broken to the upside. The closing of these candles, previous candle has broken to the upside. That clearly indicates a bullish sign. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 previous weeks was on this price, 33.30 almost, and now it has been broken to the upside, closing at 33.61. And we also know this weekly test, this area in weekly has been tested. There was a weekly fair value gap, and that has been tested. Going on to daily, this previous break of structure from here has been tested as well in daily. So weekly has been tested, daily has been tested, and 4 hours liquidity sweep in 4 hours from this candle, and also there's a fair value gap here that's been tested as well. So this was a long-term trade from here because we had weekly and daily level there with liquidity sweep. Now the market has been going very well so far at the moment, and currently stands at 33.71 in 4 hours. And this area has been tested. This fair value gap has been tested with the previous 4-hour candle. But what we can see here now, what can happen, we might go to daily to see. So this could be the next target. This closing of this candle, and then closing of its and the wick of this candle, and that could be another target. So 33.73 and then 34.90, 34.20 roughly. And you may see some rejection from this area. So this is quite a big area. So let's try to refine in Forex level. In fact, we'll do in one hedge level. So as you can see, that this price level has been respected. So we may see the price going to the upside here and then to the upside. So how are we gonna take the trade? Well, to take the trade, let's go into even smaller time frame. Sorry. The market developing kind of bearish structure here. However, let's see in different time frame. Yeah, it should come here, up to here, but this level already been tested. We may see another test here. And with the evidence, we can buy from here. And this area has been broken in 2 hours. So if you have already entered in the trade, then good, well and good. Let's go 4 hours, similar situation. So if market comes down from here in 4 hours, currently it's, sorry, let's go back to daily. This level has been broken in daily. And 4 hours is bullish, 1 hour is bullish as well. The way the market is looking, you definitely can see prices to come down before it goes to up towards the upside. So how to take a trade? So it's a bit risky around here because we're not sure because where the price is as it's a kind of no trading area here. So best would be probably go into the daily. We can see some sell from around this area. And then it's a possibility of coming around this area and then buy from here. That would be the good trade. But for now, with the way the market is showing up, it's very hard to decide. So what do we do? We normally use moving averages. So if wanna trade in moving average in RSI, then you may see some setups around this area. See, currently, for day traders, you can use smaller. So 15 minutes, this is order block here, or demand area, you can say. We may see some buying from here. However, you can always combine with RSI moving averages to get a good trade. Anyway, I'll I'm always live as well. My chart is always live these days, so I'll draw some levels and go on line on Monday as well, so you can see different levels. Let's delete this. So currently, this is a 4H level. This is a 4H level, and this is another level. So these are the three levels where we can see some rejections and move to those side because we are in the bullish trend. Also, if for any reason, if the market comes around this area, we can see a sell opportunity. This area hasn't been tested, but where the market was going, It's very fast. It didn't touch this very well. So if the market reverses, these are the these are some levels. So I'll leave that to it now, and I hope you have a good day and enjoy your week. You're enjoying your weekend, and thank you. Bye bye.